time to time, you may need to restore some files from your trash folder. For example, if some were accidentally deleted, just like restoring files from the cache of your PC. In this video, we'll show you how to do this in your file manager. You can use the search option or just scroll down to the Files section and click on File Manager. Now that you've accessed the File Manager, open the Trash folder up near the top. In the Trash folder, locate the required file and click on it. To restore the file, simply click the Restore button in the top bar. You can also right-click and choose the Restore option from the drop-down menu. A pop-up window will then appear. Just click on Restore Files again to confirm. That's it! The file was restored and we can now see it in the original folder. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them under this video or check out our knowledge base at Namecheap.com for more tips and support.